So I want to give you guys an example of what we call a split. Not a split unit, but a split trunk line. So in other words, there's a vent here and there's a vent down there. Now if you're cleaning it from that side using a whip or something, it's going to make a straight beam across. Same way as if you clean it from this side, it's going to go straight across. So how are you supposed to clean this? How are you supposed to make sure that if you're cleaning it from the outside, how do you know you make sure you clean this right here? This is why coming up to the attic or understanding the system is very important, because without the knowledge of that, then you're just cleaning half the line. You want to make sure you clean the full line. Countless of times I've come across houses like that. Somebody has done work, and you know, it's not their fault. A lot of people don't understand. Educate our customers in understanding what's the difference between our methods and other people's methods and other companies' methods. So just want to give you guys a good example of that. Let's see if we have another decent unit to carry. So corners like this, you know, could be a pain in the butt trying to clean it from the down there instead of trying to come upstairs and clean it. It could be very difficult hitting those corners. A lot of people, you know, can either do it only half or not doing that at all. So I just want to give you guys an example of, yeah, if I would clean it from the outside over there, I would clean it from there, from the inside, from the room, I'd be having a hard time. Especially since I know there's a couple of them that reach all the way to the first floor. So it's going to be physically impossible for you to try to whip point upwards. Then coming at the angle that it's coming out, you really want to approach this a lot better.